Hey guys, how's it going? You know, there's a whole lot of people out here. In fact, I'd say somewhere between, I think the research that I was looking at was somewhere between 70 and 80% of the workforce would love to quit their job. Now, that's interesting in the fact that they've got to really dislike that sucker to want to quit. Or they have some kind of feeling inside of them that they think there's got to be something better than this. And they could be right on both. And is actually. There's a lot of different ways to create an income. But one thing you need to learn is there's like a science behind getting rich, if you will, or creating that money. And it's the way that you do things, but you do them in a certain way. Now, what is that way? Well, tell you what. Hit the like, hit the follow, share it if you can to some people. They may want to see this too. But if you'll open up my bio, you'll see in there's a free book, and it's called The Science of Getting Rich. It's just a free ebook. It's about 88 pages, really great reading, and it'll get you started, and it's free. Okay? The other one will just give you an idea of some of the things that I'm doing that I find very profitable. Okay? Later, guys. Bye.